Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. Every time you fail, you come one step closer to success. You're not scared. You're courageous. You're not weak. You're powerful. You're not ordinary. You're remarkable. Do not back down. Do not give up. When you look back on your life, don't have regrets. Believe in yourself. Believe in your future. A fire burning inside you is mighty. It is waiting to burn bright. You're meant to do great things. Following your dreams can be both terrifying and exciting. Courage is facing fear. Fear of failure holds most people back. You're not most people. Persist and persuade others about your plans as they are real. Nobody can do this but you. Nobody will get the way of your dreams of having the degree or status that you want to have. Most people master the obvious. You create something that wasn't there before. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's you. Give it your best and your dreams will come to life. Success is yours. Go for your dreams. It is your turn. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.